Today's training topic is skid control. So let's talk about some major causes of skids. Excessive speed for conditions is one of the most major causes of skids. Drivers need to remain aware of road and weather conditions and adjust their vehicle's speed accordingly. There are several vehicle maneuvers that contribute to skids, like overbraking, oversteering, and overacceleration. Overbraking is braking too hard and locking up the wheels. Skids can also occur when using the speed retarder on a slippery road. Oversteering is turning the wheels more sharply than the vehicle can turn. And overacceleration is supplying too much power to the drive wheels, causing them to spin. The most common type of skid is caused when the rear wheels lose traction through excessive braking or acceleration. Skids caused by acceleration usually occur on an icy or slippery roadway. The driver can stop an acceleration-caused skid by taking his or her foot off the accelerator. Rear wheel braking skids happen when the rear drive wheels lock. Because locked wheels have less traction than rolling wheels, the rear wheels slide sideways to try and catch up with the front of the wheels. When dealing with vehicles towing trailers, a drive wheel skid can let the trailer push the towing vehicle sideways, causing a sudden jackknife. Remember, a locked or spinning wheel wants to lead. With tractor trailer skids, they are often classified based on what happens during the skid. There are four major types of skids: a trailer jackknife, a tractor jackknife, front wheel skid, and all-wheel skid. Let's talk about a trailer jackknife. So overbraking and oversteering can cause a trailer jackknife. When overbraking, the trailer will continue moving forward at a higher speed than the tractor. The trailer will not be able to continue its forward movement, causing it to slide around toward the front of the unit. When taking a curve too fast for surface conditions, the rear of the trailer may continue in the same direction it was originally heading while the tractor and front of the trailer turn. There are several precautions a driver can take to help prevent a trailer jackknife. Inspect the air system and check brake adjustment. Adjust vehicle speed to suit conditions. Read the road ahead, avoid braking in curves, and avoid hard braking. For a tractor jackknife, this occurs when the drive wheels lose traction. The drive wheels attempt to overtake the front wheels, causing the rear of the tractor to swing out. The tractor follows the path of least resistance, while the trailer continues in its original direction. As the trailer pivots, it pushes the rear of the tractor outward, resulting in a jackknife. There are several things a driver can do to prevent a tractor jackknife. Avoid overbraking, overacceleration, and sudden downshifts. Load and secure cargo properly. Drivers also need to pay attention to brake systems and tire tread when conducting required inspections. For front wheel skids, these are often caused by reduced front wheel traction, lack of tread on the front tires, hydroplaning, oversteering, or brake system malfunction. A solid detailed inspection and a reduction of speed on wet or slippery pavement are the best ways to prevent this type of skid. With all-wheel skids, all wheels are locked. Friction or traction changes from rolling to sliding. The wheels essentially can't turn. Usually during an all-wheel skid, the rig continues in a straight line despite the driver's effort to steer. Many all-wheel skids are caused by overbraking on slippery surfaces. Avoid excessive braking, especially on slippery surfaces. That's the best way to prevent an all-wheel skid. In terms of skid recovery, there are several procedures a driver can use to help in recovering from a skid. The procedures range from countersteering to stopping braking. Stop braking or accelerating, push in the clutch and steer. This will allow the wheels to roll and keep them from sliding any further. Turn quickly. When the vehicle begins to slide sideways, quickly steer in the direction you want the vehicle to travel on the road. The key is turning the wheel quickly. Countersteer. As the tractor turns back on course, it has a tendency to keep turning. Unless the driver turns the steering wheel the other way quickly, the vehicle may skid in the opposite direction. To recover from a skid, drivers need to remember to stay off the brake, turn the steering wheel quickly, and remember to countersteer when necessary.